You're watching this because you either need an electronic drum kit or you're desperately trying to convince yourself you don't. You've seen the big names, you've seen the price tags, and you're stuck wondering if you can even get pro sound and feel without selling a kidney. Today, we're talking about the Yamaha DTX6K2-X, a kit that promises flagship features without the flagship debt. But here's what surprised me: this isn't just a good budget option. Therefore, you might be looking at the biggest value-for-money shakeup in the entire e-drum world right now. For the best price, click the link in the description. /N/N Act 1. The hook and the first reason /N/N. Let's get straight into it. Reason number 1: you need to try this kit. The DTX6K2-X gives you a professional brain and legendary Yamaha sounds for a frankly ridiculous price. We're talking about the same DTX Pro sound module found in kits costing thousands more. This little blue box is a powerhouse. It has over 400 presets, 197 drum and percussion instruments sampled from Yamaha's top-tier acoustic gear, and a depth of editing that would make a synth programmer blush. You want a dry studio maple kit? Got it. A massive 70s rock reverb monster? It's there. Intricate percussion from around the globe? Absolutely. Most kits at this price point give you adequate sounds. This gives you an embarrassment of riches. But here's the scroll stopper. Owning a great sound module is like having a library of the world's best cookbooks. However, if your pots and pans are cheap and warped, you're still not eating a gourmet meal. Therefore, the big question is, what about the pads? Are they the flimsy, bargain bin feel that ruins the illusion? That's where we snap back. The pads on the DTX6K2-X are not an afterthought. They are, in many ways, the secret weapon. Yamaha's signature silicone rubber tom and snare pads are here. They're quiet, they're responsive, and they have a natural feel that plastic pads just can't match. The snare pad is the 10-inch TP10S, which is seriously good. It's got a textured playing surface that feels like a real head, and it's mounted on a fully positional-aware snare stand. That means you can move it, angle it, and it feels like your acoustic snare. This is a game-changer for realism. And the cymbals, you get two 12-inch PCY 135 crashes and a 13-inch PCY 155 ride. These are not the wobbly, toy-like ones from entry kits. They have choke capability, of course, but more importantly, they have real zones. The ride cymbal has distinct bow, edge, and bell sounds. This isn't just about hitting a button and getting a noise. This is about expression. This is about your dynamics actually translating, which leads us to a crucial point. A lot of electronic kits feel like you're playing a spreadsheet. Hit pad A, get sound B, the connection is clinical. The DTX6K2-X, because of this combination of pro sounds and thoughtfully designed pads, starts to feel like an instrument. It reacts, it breathes, it's alive under your sticks. And that right there is the first and biggest reason you need to try it. If you've ever been frustrated by e-drums that sound like a video game from 1995, this is your exit ramp. For the best price on this game changer, the link is in the description. /N/N Act 2. The deep dive and reason number 2 /N/N. Okay, you've got the sounds and the pads. That's a killer combo. But let's get into the meat of why this kit is a silent, space-saving hero. Reason number 2. The DTX6K2-X is the ultimate solution for the modern player who needs to practice, record, and perform without causing an earthquake or needing a warehouse. Let's talk about the elephant in the room. Noise, or rather, the lack of it. The silicone pads are famously quiet. You can play these at 2 a.m. with a pair of headphones, and the loudest thing in the room will be your own breathing. Your neighbors, your roommates, your sleeping cat, they'll never know you're working on your blast beats. It's the kind of stealth operation that makes you feel like a drumming ninja. But silent practice is just one side of the coin. The other side is the incredibly compact footprint. This isn't a massive, sprawling octopus of a kit. It's sleek, it's tight, and it sets up in minutes. The rack is Yamaha's hex rack system, which is sturdy as heck and looks clean. You're not dealing with a bird's nest of clamps and tubes. It's elegant in its simplicity. This means you can have it permanently set up in a corner of your bedroom, office, or even a large closet. The psychological difference between a kit that's always set up and one you have to assemble for an hour is night and day. You'll play more. It's science. Well, it's behavioral psychology, but let's not get bogged down. The point is, accessibility breeds consistency. However, a small, quiet kit is useless if it can't connect to your modern life. Therefore, let's talk about the DTX Pro module's other superpower. It's I/O. This thing is a connectivity hub. You've got standard 1/4-inch outputs to go to a mixer or PA. You've got a dedicated headphone out with its own volume knob, a simple but glorious feature. You've got a USB-B port to act as an audio interface. That's right. Plug a single USB cable into your computer and the DTX6K2-X becomes your sound card. You can record audio directly into your DAW like Logic, GarageBand, or Ableton with zero latency. No extra interface needed. You can also send click tracks and backing audio from your computer back into the module and out to your headphones. It's a seamless two-way street. And it has MIDI over USB, so you can easily trigger any virtual instrument. Think about that workflow. You can practice silently. You can then record a perfect, studio-quality audio track of your performance directly. Or, if you prefer, you can record the MIDI data and tweak your drum sound endlessly later. The versatility is staggering. It's a practice kit, a recording studio, and a MIDI controller all in one. It's like a Swiss Army knife, but instead of a tiny, useless saw, it has a chainsaw. That's our second joke, by the way. I'm contractually obligated to include 4. But this all sounds very serious, doesn't it? All this talk of workflows and interfaces. Therefore, let's not forget the most important thing. Is it fun to play? Does it inspire you? With the responsive pads, the immersive sounds, and the fact that you can be jamming along to a Spotify track within 60 seconds of sitting down, the answer is a resounding yes. It removes friction and adds inspiration. That's a powerful combo, which brings us to our final and perhaps most controversial reason. \N Act 3. The resolution and the final killer reason \N. We've covered the professional-grade heart and the modern, compact body of the DTX6K2X. But here's the contrarian snapback, the third reason that ties it all together and might just be the most important one of all. The DTX6K2X isn't just a product you buy, it's a platform you grow with. This is not a dead-end purchase. Most electronic kits are static. You buy them, you use them as is until you eventually sell them to upgrade. The DTX6K2X is different. It's modular. It's expandable. It's future-proof. Let's start with the brain. The DTX Pro module can be expanded via software updates. Yamaha has a history of adding new kits, new features, and improvements. You're not stuck with what's in the box on day one. Then there are the pads. That snare pad, it's a fully realized 3-zone snare. You can upgrade it later to Yamaha's even more advanced textured silicone snare if you want. The tom pads, you can add more. The kit supports expanding up to a full-sized configuration. Want to add a 4th tom? Go for it. Want a second crash or a splash cymbal? Easy. The inputs are all there, waiting on the back of the module. You can even connect an acoustic drum trigger to incorporate a real kick drum or a real cymbal if you want a hybrid setup. This kit grows with your skills and your ambitions. It's like buying a foundation and being able to build your dream house on top of it, one room at a time. But the expandability goes beyond just adding more things to hit. The deep editing within the module means you're not just a preset surfer. You can dive in and create your own kits from the ground up. Adjust the tuning, the muffling, the microphone positions, the room reverb. You can layer sounds, add effects like compression and EQ. It's a sound designer's playground. This means the kit never gets boring. When you tire of the presets, which will take a while, you can start crafting your own signature sound. Therefore, the DTX6K2X represents a shift in thinking. It's not an entry-level kit. It's a pro-entry kit. It's your entry point into the professional Yamaha ecosystem. You're not starting over when you outgrow it. You're simply adding to it. It respects your future self and your future wallet. And that brings me to the biggest joke of all, the price tag. For what you get: the Pro module, the quality silicone pads, the solid hardware, the incredible connectivity, the asking price feels like Yamaha made a clerical error. It's the drumming equivalent of finding a designer suit at a thrift store price. It's so good, it almost makes the more expensive kits look a little silly. Almost. Our third joke is that the only thing that might wear out faster than the pads is the power on button from you turning it on so often. But in all seriousness, that's the ultimate takeaway. The Yamaha DTX6K2-X solves the fundamental dilemmas of the modern drummer. It gives you pro sound in a silent, compact form. It connects flawlessly to your digital life for practice and recording. And it's a foundation you can build on for years, not a stepping stone you'll regret. The three reasons, the professional heart, the modern convenience, and the expandable future, create a perfect storm of value. Therefore, if you're on the fence, if you've been scrolling through options paralyzed by choice, let this be your sign. You're not just buying a drum kit. You're buying back your time, your space, your creativity, and your peace with the neighbors. You need to try this kit to feel the difference. To experience that moment when an electronic instrument stops feeling electronic and starts feeling like an extension of you. That's the magic. And the best place to find that magic is at the link below. For the absolute best price on the Yamaha DTX6K2X, click the link in the description. Our fourth and final joke. My neighbors just sent me a thank you card. They don't know why, but they feel happier. Go check out the link and start your own silent revolution.